Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Ka Sorkar Pdeng kadang ap ya ka Kaiphod na ka Komiti Tohkit jong ki arngot kitkhod ki balasya penkamti ban Tohkit ya ka jingkano persya yo Vice Chancellor jong ka school ba Northeastern Hills University ha ka Pdeng bat ka jingbamla trekam bat ka jingbamla ban penyait kam syua ban shim ya ka nugunugarai. Ya kanila pentip da unang yalam ka BJP uba ELHEC uba longru menteri ka Sorkar jela. Hadin ka jinglet ya kandu dang shen yu menteri khna ka Sorkar Pdeng uba khmi ya katanat puli puthi ha New Delhi.
We went as a delegation looking for an appointment with the Diamond Product, but we were busy the whole day. In meantime, also we took an appointment with the Minister of State Education, Dr. Shishkanto Bujumdar. So he immediately gave an appointment. So with as a delegation, we went and briefed him with a letter submitted to him relating to the Nehu's issue. So there also they know very clearly, they said that this already they have sent to representative to Government of India for inquiry. They are waiting for the report. But as far as my knowledge goes, I think the report has completed here, but I think it's still waiting to submit the report. So that is the thing that after maybe 10 o'clock, I got the call from Dharmendra Pradhan. He spoke to me that he said, I just finished his meeting with the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji. Then I said, now to already late 10 o'clock, so we will only send the letter to you. By tomorrow morning, you will be getting in your office. So we have told my PA to stay extra one day only for submission of the letter, and he has done it. You see, according to the reports given verbally to me, and also the report given by all concerned of Nehu, right from Nahunsa, right from the Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association, right from the student, the faculty, even the employee, they are given all the report is against the Vice Chancellor. So if it is that report, according to them, it is true. It is then if we are keeping the same Vice Chancellor, so that the work convenient, the work culture will be no longer, smooth in the Nehu.